So like always, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with this ColourPop white concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. And you want to make sure you use a good base for today's look because we're going to be going in with brighter eyeshadows that can easily stain your skin, especially if you're paler like I am. I'm going to hop into my Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. I'm going to go in with this really pretty blue pink tone shade, and I'm going to fluff this into my crease and go ahead and start extending out my crease to create that cat eye shape. Okay, this palette is totally not necessary, but I'm just going to go in with the purple from this Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette. You can use any purple you have, and I'm just going to layer that over the pink to create a more pinkily, purpley color that we're needing. Next, I'm going to take a true hot pink, like a super hot pink, on a fluffy little eyelid brush, and I'm just going to fluff this into my lid. There's no need to do a cut crease or anything crazy like that for this. You just want to blend the crease into your lid shade. Everything's totally fine. So I'm just packing this on and blending it out. Once I'm done blending it out, I'm going to go ahead and take a towel that I keep on my desk. Please don't be like me, use a makeup remover wipe, but I'm gonna just clean up the fallout and sharpen that cat eye shape. And now we're gonna go in with a foundation. Doesn't matter which one, I'm just using this from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna do my foundation pretty much like I normally would. Not very difficult, but I am gonna take this down my neck quite a bit just so that eyeshadow doesn't stay near as much. After that, I'm going to go in with that white concealer just because I want super, super bright under eyes, and we're going to blend that out as well. Are y'all ready for literally the funniest thing? I really thought this was a clean brush and that was just going to be a hot pink blush, but it had some black on it, so I just went ahead and put it on both cheeks to make sure it would be even. I tried to blend it out a little bit, and then I just got a different brush and packed that pink blush from Wet n Wild all over my cheeks. I also added this onto my temples and coming down my forehead, and I contoured my nose with this. It's just going to help to create that pink fur-esque look. Don't put black on your cheeks before the pink though, it really helps it out. Totally not necessary, but I have to add highlighter to literally any look I ever do, so we're highlighting a lot, like an obscene amount. It's fine, it's totally fine. I'm also going to take that hot pink shade and really fluff it and blend it out on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to start drawing my nose. I'm just taking a liquid eyeliner pen and I'm creating the top of a heart shape, if that makes sense. And then I kind of thicken the line and I add a few crosshatch situation shapes to just add some shadow, and I do draw a line straight down, not connecting it to my mouth, just on the nose. And I also go in with that hot pink shade and tap it into the blank spots of my nose. I also, for some reason, just decided I wanted to make a widow's peak. Not very good. It wasn't a good decision, but it's okay. So I'm starting with that hot pink shade and then going in with a few darker purples just to darken it up. It kind of ended up just looking like a heart. Totally fine. It's totally fine. Now I'm going to mix a purple and a pink and create 3 little stripes on my cheeks and then blend that out. We're going to add some liner and some lashes. Very nice, very nice. Now I'm trying to decide what the heck I'm going to do with my mouth, and I decided to go ahead and get out my Mayron Paradise paints. I'm just going to go in with the white and create some little chiclet teeth shapes. These do not have to be perfect, and I recommend always doing your white body paint before your black body paint because the white doesn't go over the black very well. I just continued to add more and more teeth, and then I decided to stop and get a smaller brush and my black body paint out, and I'm just gonna go through and outline all of these teeth and fill my lips in black. it was a process. It's okay. I tried to cut as much of this down as I could, but you're basically going to get a very small detailing brush and just outline your entire mouth. It took a very long time. It's okay. You want to add a pretty thick line on the bottom and the tops of your teeth, just so it's easier to create that smile shape. So if that makes any type of sense at all. Once that's done, I'm gonna go through with that same brush and create my Cheshire cat smile, and I'm just gonna connect it all and fill it all in. I also decided to add little smile lines on the end of both my corners, the corners of my smile, the corners of my mouth. You know what I mean? You can see what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go in with the hot pink shadow that we have been using on a flat foundation brush, and I'm just gonna create stripes, leaving some blank space in between each stripe going down my neck. And then after that, I go in with the purple we've been using, which kind of really sucked trying to do these stripes with it. And I'm just gonna fill in the blank spaces so we have pink and purple stripes going down our neck. Okay, I'm hopping on because this is embarrassing. So I forgot to film myself doing my whiskers, but I just used the ColourPop BFF eyeliner in black, and I just drew whiskers on my cheeks. I'm really sorry I forgot to put that in, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you, by the way, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I am so excited. As soon as Halloween and 31 days of Halloween is over, we will be doing the 500 subscriber giveaway, and I'm so freaking excited. So make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see when the giveaway starts and all that. I also already took off my damn lashes. I'm struggling, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry I forgot my whiskers. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!